Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Kingmaker FX. We are going over a trade recap we took on VIX75 1S. Now let's check why we took this buy. Remember, price is in a downtrend, but this price make this big swing to the upside, giving us a change of character. But this change of character doesn't mean the trend has changed. It just means we are expecting maybe some pullback or some bullish pressure. Now, price pulling to this zone here. Those who trade supply and demand, they understand. My student understand this is rally. It is rally base drop supply zone and price drop significantly. But we know something, price always react to extreme supply zone, extreme what's demand zone and extreme supply zone. Where is the extreme demand zone? Here. We all know that this is liquidity. My student understand that this is what liquidity. Now I'll tell you the buy. This buy that you see earlier, that video that you see earlier, and I took my TP here exactly. I'll tell you why I took my TP here exactly. You can see after taking my TP, price go down significantly. I understand structure very well. If you understand structure, you know why we took first TP at this point here, at this supply zone here, at this supply zone here. So price was coming down, and price clear all this liquidity, which was expected, and came to this extreme supply zone. Now, some people enter straight. Entering straight is what? Without using what? Confirmatory entry. Without using what? Confirmatory entry. So now, this is your order block here. Or this is your demand zone. You're waiting for price to react to. Now, what happened here? You can enter straight, but it's what we call risky entry. Now, if you enter like this, in price might just react like this and see go down. So let's analyze this, what happened really. Let's see how we can enter this trade using less tricks, and we'll be more sure that this trade will hold. Look at what happened here. Price was going to enter into our demand zone or order block, went up. You can see price went up, reacted to this supply zone. Now, what do we expect when price enter the supply zone here? Price should continue going down. So this supply zone did its job here. It pushed price down. After pushing this price down, price went up again. We expect another thing to happen here because now this is a strong high. Why? Because this high took out this low. Now, price came into this high. Price pulled into this high, reacted and break it. So now we have a confirmed. Now the buy is confirmed because we have a change of character, and because price is in your block or your demand zone, a change of character is enough to take a trade. What do you do now? You wait for the pullback into this zone here. Now price pull back into the zone, and what you see the buy. Now this buy is more confirmed more than that one, and your stop loss will be smaller. Your stop loss will be below this zone here. Now the buy is now confirmed. But if you enter just entering from here, it might go and take you out and continue the downtrend. But now the buy is confirmed. Bullish pressure is confirmed. Now where is your TP? Let me go to the H4 time frame. Your first TP is this whole supply zone. So as price have not reached the supply zone, you can be expecting buys on the way. But I missed this entry. Here. This first entry here. You see, I enter from the video you see earlier. I enter around this point here. I'll tell you why I enter around this point here. Now, look carefully because this is the beauty of the trade. After price break this place here, you can see price give us some multiple break of structure. You can see it keep breaking structure, which means bullish pressure has entered the market. So now you mark your your order block or your supply zone, which you might expect a retracement to continue the buy to just that supply zone there. Because remember, we are still on a downtrend. Market has not changed on the daily time frame. You're just waiting to catch the pullback. Now, first demand zone or order block, second demand zone order block, and third demand zone or order block. But which one did I take? Why did I take my buy from that side? Now I take my fib from the low to the high of that retracement. That's what we call premium and discount. You buy in the you sell in the premium and you buy in the discount. Premium means like you sell when it's expensive and you buy when it's cheap. That's this thing. So from this is a fib, 100%, 50 range, and this was the zero. Let me draw it. Sorry, let me draw it to the bottom, please. Let me pull it. Oh god, I didn't draw the fib correctly. From the low to the high, you can see here. from the low to the high. Yeah. So at this range here, you have this order block in your properly in your discount. This one is at the 50% range, in equilibrium range. So at this range here, you can take this one first or this one. Let me clear my chart. My chart is a bit messy. Let me tell you why I haven't take the trade properly. So now, price enter this order block. You can take your entry there, but it is risky. Okay. So price came into this order block here. And let me tell you, this is the beauty of the trade. This is the word beauty of the trade. This is the beauty of the trade. Let me draw it properly. This whole zone here. Let me draw it properly. Now, let me go to the N5 time frame, the lower time frame confirmation. Now, price entered this the first demand zone and did what? Give us equal lows. Give us equal. The lows were very equal. It spiked up. It didn't even break any structure here. Just give us equal lows here, equal lows here. Some people can enter here. That's a risky entry, which you are not sure it might hold, it might not hold. Now, price entered this. The next price gave us this equal lows. Before this appear, you can enter here as confirm, but I also wait for more confirmatory entry. Now, watch the thought process of this my trade. Watch the thought process. Now, when price entered this my zone, I didn't know whether price will even hold. I don't know whether price. I'm not sure that price will hold. Price enter our zone and give us a what wychoff confirmation. Let me show you on the 1 minute time frame. Give us a what wychoff confirmation. My student understand what is what wychoff. So price entered. Price was, this is the, let me mark it out. This is the lowest low. This is the lowest high that caused the low. So what the price did here, price what took out this low. We are expecting price to enter this supply zone and continue the sell. Price entered this supply zone, react, went up, break it, take out this low, and what broke structure, broke multiple structure, broke what multiple structure. But those using wychoff on this, I can't go to wychoff now. Broke the first structure, broke the second structure. Now, the buy has been what confirmed using wychoff. Using what wychoff. So what do you do now? You take the buy from this last candle here. From this last candle here. From this our demand zone here. To what take it to the next supply zone on your H4 time frame. Now the buy is now what confirmed. And let me show you your stop loss now. Let me show you how beautiful your stop loss will be now. 13 pips. But if you are taking it from, let me see. If you are taking it from just this, from this zone here, your stop loss could have been 53 pips. But now your stop loss is now smaller and you have a more confirmed entry now. So what the price did, price broke the high. Broke this high, giving us a BMS to the upside, a mini BMS to the upside, mini BMS to the upside. But I didn't take trade from there because I was not available. I was waiting for price to pull back. I could have put a buy limit there, but I was not available. So when I came to my chart, price just pulled back again after giving us a BMS. Price gave us an RTO into this zone again. So I entered from here actually because when I came to my chart, I saw price was here already. So it was not a sniper entry. I entered from here, from this side. Now where am I taking it to? Let's go to the H4. I told you I marked down my H4 supply. H4 what? Supply. This supply zone here. Why did I mark this supply zone? Look at price now. It's just on a downtrend since. Price is on a downtrend. We're just anticipating just the pullback to that supply zone. To that what? Supply zone. Price might still go by. That's why I took my first and you can see it on that video that first play. So after price pulling there, I entered that this thing and took my first TP at this point here. At this point, and you can see it. After we took our first TP, price was significantly tank. Some people might be holding this trade that take this trade from here, expecting more higher prices. Without looking at the higher time frame, you can see how price significantly tanked to the downside. So this is how we trade using simple method. Now you might think this is hard. Those of in my mentorship and in my signal, they understand that this trading method is the most simplest and the most confirmed entry. With this kind of entry, you can hardly what blow an account. You can hardly what blow an account, and you'll be sure to take a trade from different zones because you can see Other block here, other block here, other block here. Which one we hold? That's the confusion. You don't even know which one we hold or which one we what fill. But with this kind of method, you know which one hold and which one fill. So for signal and mentorship, DM me. I do signal and also account management. You can DM me for account management, signal, and mentorship. And also watch my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Chi.